Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Samsung Android app Galaxy Finder, the S Finder. So what is this? This is the latest app developed by Samsung. It performs the task of finding anything in the Galaxy smartphone. It supports Android Marshmallow and Lollipop. For new devices, it got replaced with a search function that is located in the app's menu. Functioning of this app. This is an inbuilt function in the latest Samsung Galaxy phones. Click on the search icon. I am searching for accessibility, which I need to make some changes to my phone. Thus, I will type accessibility in the search prompt. And as soon as it gets typed, the function navigates through the system and then returns with that option. How to install and use the com.samsung.app.galaxyfinder. For this, go to our Gossipfunda blog. The link is given in the description. And press that button. A new window with the download button will appear on the screen. Click on the button. It will ask for APK download. Clicking on OK, it will start downloading. For the installation process, search the downloaded app.apk in your system and click to install. Advantages of the Galaxy S Finder application. The S Finder replaced the traditional technique of search and acted as a search engine for Samsung phone. It is the application that helps in searching the applications on your Android device. It helps to find not only apps but also lost files which we placed by mistake in some folder of our phone. If there is a need for internet search, it is also possible through this package. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.